This 2012 Cadillac Escalade is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Cadillac Escalade Platinum Edition AWD navigation system, rear view camera, front parking sensors, rear DVD entertainment, power sliding sunroof, heated and cooled cup holders, power retractable running boards, third row seating, 22 and flat wheels, LED headlamps, Bose premium sound system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, power rear tailgate, 6.2 L V8 engine, automatic transmission, power windows, cruise control, power exterior mirrors, power release, second row seats, keyless entry, diamond white exterior, brown leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Cadillac Escalade Platinum Edition AWD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides I visit is at AutoGalleryChicago.com.